How do I factory reset my Apple Watch tracking?
Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on factory resetting your Apple Watch. Factory resetting can help you resolve software issues or prepare your watch for a new user. Please note, this process will erase all data from your device, so ensure you have a backup if needed.
Why should you factory reset your Apple Watch?
Factory resetting your Apple Watch is a great solution if you're experiencing software glitches or performance issues that aren't being resolved by simpler fixes. It can also be necessary if you're looking to sell or give away your watch. This process will erase everything and make your watch as good as new, so it's important to back up any essential data before proceeding.
How do you back up your Apple Watch?
Before we start the factory reset process, let's back up your data. Your Apple Watch backs up data automatically to your paired iPhone, so ensure they're in close proximity. To manually trigger a backup, 1. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. 2. Tap My Watch, then Apple Watch, then unpair Apple Watch. 3. Click Backup Now. Remember, this will also unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone, but don't worry, we're doing a factory reset anyway.
How do you factory reset your Apple Watch?
Now that your data is safe, let's proceed with the factory reset. Here are the steps. 1. On your Apple Watch, open Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap General. 3. Scroll down again and tap Reset. 4. Tap Erase all content and settings. If you have a passcode, you'll need to enter it now. 5. Tap Erase all, or, if you're using a cellular model, choose to keep or remove your cellular plan. 6. Wait for the process to complete. This may take several minutes.
What do you do after resetting your Apple Watch?
Once your Apple Watch has been reset, you can pair it with your iPhone again or set it up for a new user. To do this, 1. Keep your iPhone and Apple Watch close together. 2. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. 3. Tap Start Pairing, and follow the on-screen instructions. And there you have it. That's how you perform a factory reset on your Apple Watch. Remember, always make sure to back up your data before initiating a reset. We hope this guide has been helpful and made the process clear and simple for you. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in the next one.